Ciao from Italy, my name is Giuliana and I'm from SCOPELLITI 1887. Last time together we discovered my personal top 5 of Versace porcelain mugs, and if you still haven't seen this video we will put link somewhere here. And today together we will discover an amazing dinnerware set by Hermes from the Passifolia tableware collection. Passifolia tableware collection was released for the first time on January 2020 during the fair in Paris, and instantly it became extremely popular. Nathalie Roland, its designer, used an exceptional range of 32 colors to make the design really exceptional and unique, and to highlight the depth of its design and the beauty of flora. Passifolia takes its name from the passion flower Passiflora incarnata that grows on the southeast of Asia and on the Philippines. Passifolia is almost the only one Hermes tableware collection where you can actually choose and compose your own dinner set. Dinner set, or someone calls it 5-piece plate setting, consists of one dinner plate, one dessert plate, one bread and butter plate, and one teacup with tea saucer. The Passifolia collection has two types of dinner plate. You can see here we have a dinner plate palm, and of course it takes its name from the plant that is designed on the plate. Then we have a philodendron plate. Again, the name is based on the plant, on the leaf of the plant you can see on the plate, and it has a golden halo. Passifolia has as well two types of dessert plate. We have here a dessert plate number 1 with the name Passiflora. You can see here yellow and orange flowers, and this plate is a really richly embellished item. We will put it here and start composing our beautiful dinnerware composition. And the next plate is dessert plate number 2 with the name Dessert Rose, like the son of the sting, so you won't forget it. And here we have this beautiful kind of fuchsia flower, special leaves, some orange inserts, and it has as well a kind of golden halo as in other previous plates. Let's move directly to bread and butter plate. Here we have as well two types of plates. The first one you can see in front of me is with the name Tamaya, this plant is called as well bamboo begonia. It's an amazing indoor plant that makes abundant flowers. We will put it here. And then we have the second bread and butter plate with the name Kalos, that as well means in Greek beautiful. Finally, we have a set of 2 teacups and saucers. It's a real blend of flowers mixed with pale pink, orange, green leaves with a golden halo. And as you can see, the tea saucer has as well an inside decoration, and this piece is really amazing and can compose and add the special touch to your overall composition. At the beginning of this video, I told you that Passifolia is a special dinnerware collection, and you were wondering why did I say so. Because actually you can compose your own composition, or for example you can take the dinner plate palm and compose it with dessert plate number 1, and take this plate Tamaya, or again you can mix it with Kalos and another dessert plate, Dessert Rose and Philodendron collection, and you can take 2 different sets that will be really homogeneous between them and will compose the perfect composition on your table setting. And if you will be a symmetric maniac as I am, you will choose your own set, you will choose your own dessert plate, your own dinner plate that you prefer most of all, and you will create your own special composition from Passifolia dinnerware collection. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to thumb up and of course to subscribe to our channel, and see you in our next upcoming videos. Bye bye.